What's up, y'all? I'm back with another one. I'm about to go see if we can't go get on some deer. I'm about to go sit in the stand for a little while. I don't know how long yet. Probably, well, actually I do know how long, till dark. And that was really stupid of me to say, but I'll let y'all know if we see anything. Alright, y'all. I'm back on the four-wheeler. All I saw was that 6 point in the doe. Walked out just when it got dark. So I waited on it to leave. Both of them left. Then I headed to the four-wheeler. I let both of them walk because I don't want to shoot the doe this early in the year. And I'm going to let that 6 point go. It was really good. I think that was either one of that. I think that was either that 4 point or the spike from last year. God, it's cold. You know, I get used to it. It's just, it ain't been this cold in a long time. It's kind of shocking. Ain't even gonna lie. God dang, it's cold. I just went behind the house. I could have went to the other field. I wonder what went out over there. I need to get one of them trail cameras with the app that updates you what goes out there and when. That'd be nice. I think that's what we're gonna get because we've been talking about getting another one or either 2 new ones. So yeah, peace out. I'll see y'all on the next.